Hebei Haipeng New Energy Technology Development Company Limited, founded in 2018, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research and development, production, sale and service of commercial refrigeration equipment. Our main products include commercial beverage cabinet, commercial multi-layer vegetable and fruit cooler, commercial glass sliding door, fresh meat cooler. We are located in Shenzhou City, Hengshui City, with convenient transportation. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure adequate customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of professional production equipment to increase production capacity. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate. We firmly believe that all products must meet international quality standards. Pay attention to purchasing quality materials and ensure strict internal process control. We have professional inspectors to ensure that the product delivered to the customer is perfect. Our products are exported to Italy and other countries and regions. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our company insists on the policy that customer first, credibility commitment, quality assurance, professional service, adhere to the line of high-quality products, and won the trust and praise of customers. We look forward to establishing long-term business relations with overseas countries on the basis of mutual benefit. If you are interested in our products or our company, please feel free to contact us for more details.